It's James Ricaldo once again, and I'm sure every one of you has been invited to a Christmas barbecue here in Stanley. Well, because of that, I've decided to create a really refreshing recipe called the Chicken Macaroni Salad. And the ingredients for our Chicken Macaroni Salad are some parboiled macaroni pasta. You can use penne pasta as well, as long as you're using a tube pasta. And we have some fresh ingredients like the celery, minced carrots, minced red onions, minced green bell peppers, and then for that sweet kick we're going to use raisins, and for that refreshing kick we're going to use some pineapple chunks and crushed pineapple. Of course, a salad will not be complete without your we're going to use some mayonnaise, mustard, salt and pepper, paprika, and a little bit of milk, just to mix it to your mayonnaise and make it more creamy. And lastly, some cooked shredded chicken. So this is a mixture of chicken breast and chicken thighs. You can use the chicken without the skin, or you can use the skin if you want it to be a little bit more flavorful. First things first, we need to mix our fresh ingredients in this bowl. Okay, so let's put your bell peppers, your red onions, your chopped carrots. It depends on how sweet you'd like your salad to be at the end of this. You can use more carrots if you like. And then celery. So basically that's an equal portion of celery, bell peppers, and red onions with more carrots. Okay? And then your pineapple chunks. And then we're going to add your crushed pineapple later. Just put a bit of a juice there. Your raisins. Okay. Right. So you get a spatula and just mix them all up. So we mix all of our fresh ingredients. Now it's time for us to put our macaroni. Here you go. So it is important, sorry, I'll just leave it there. It is important to parboil your macaroni and set it aside in the fridge. But before you do that, you have to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil so it doesn't stick to each other. See? There you go. So it's easier for us to mix it all up. And the extra virgin olive oil that I place on my macaroni will add a little bit of flavor to the salad. So now it's time for us to mix our salad cream. So get another bowl like this. And then use about half a cup of mayonnaise for this batch. Yeah. If you're using a bigger batch, obviously you're going to use more mayonnaise, but you adjust your salad cream or your mayonnaise as you move along while you're mixing it. And then let's use a teaspoon here. Let's add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I just chose this because it has a lovely texture. It has a lovely flavor. It has white wine on it. So there you go. And then let's add here paprika for a bit of color. So that gives a bit of a red color. It looks so festive right at the minute. So some white pepper. Again, it's up to you if you want to use more pepper. Okay, a bit of salt, about half a teaspoon. You adjust your seasoning as you mix them all up. So you can make it a little bit more salty. It depends on the end product that you're trying to achieve. There you go, mixing them all up. And then we thin it with full fat milk. You can use a teaspoon, or you can use your spatula, or you can easily use a whisk if you have a mini whisk. Right, let's add a little bit more milk. The reason why we are thinning your salad cream is because you want the salad cream to go inside the macaroni, the elbow macaroni for this instance, for the flavors to seep inside the tube. That's the purpose of that's the construction of your pasta, and that's its purpose on this handmade salad cream. Okay, on that side, and we are ready to put your salad cream to the salad mix. Look at that. I can smell it, and it smells amazing. It's very refreshing. It smells refreshing. There you go. Right. And then you add your crushed pineapple. Yummy. And you mix. Then you add your cheese. Just put it all there. And your cooked chicken. So the idea is for you to make sure that all of your ingredients are prepared and chilled, okay? So put them in the fridge before you mix them all up. And then you cover it with a cling film and then place it inside the fridge for about 2 hours. The reason is we want the flavors to seep through the pasta, and then after 2 hours it's ready to serve. Okay, so this is our chicken macaroni salad.